calm down. Get up. Calm down. Get the up. Get up. Calm down. Bro, I thought it was such a bright idea to take my son to the trails for the first time and go to the most intermediate trail in the state of Georgia, Iron Mountain. The Iron Mountain. I said, take 7 to the trails, go side by side. We're going to take the 4, we're going to take the dirt bikes. We're going to go have fun. Take all the kids with us. It's going to be a ball. And now I'm fussing, saying things that you shouldn't say to kids. But let me tell you this, bro. At that very moment, all I see is my son on that 4-wheeler. I lose my leg. My prosthetic is off. At that time, I was using a suction prosthetic. Partially the reason why I got pinned now. The only difference between the pin leg and the suction leg is very much one of the main reasons I went pin leg on the pump, because my leg comes straight off. I'm helpless. I'm defenseless. My leg is off. I'm Papa Bear. I'm cussing. I'm yelling at my son like I just don't know what was going through my mind. I can't even put myself back there. Like I said, man, trail riding is something that's fun. It's therapeutic. Everybody says it. I love it. I feel like we're going to grow to love it. That was then. Now the 7 now, he not a Willie Banshees. In the power band. He wheeling the most deadliest 4-wheeler that man ever made in the power band. So now he's ready for the trails, but then wasn't quite ready. You know for sure, one thing for certain, last thing I ever want to go through is calling my baby mother and telling her that something happened to one of her kids or any of my kids. Thank God I didn't have to do that. Calm down, calm down. Understand this, right? I'm the only one there that know how to ride. Nobody else know how to work a clutch as far as other than me, and I got 7, but as y'all can tell, he barely know how to do it. So I'm hopping around trying to figure out how can I get not only one bike that has a clutch back to the truck, I gotta get 2 bikes with a clutch back to the truck. We're in the middle of the trails. I don't know the trails like that. 7 is panicking. I don't want to put him right back on the bike, so we had to figure out, me and wifey had to figure out, we stashed one 4-wheeler, dropped one 4-wheeler off. We all got powered back up at the side by side. She dropped me back off to the other 4-wheeler. But as y'all can see, we got it handled, and shout out to wifey, wifey, man. She never panicked. You all right? What's wrong? When I said that, when you said that you ready to put it up and you started quitting out there, I should have said, f it. He don't want to ride. Put it up. I told you one thing about riding these bikes is these bikes don't make mistakes. They do what they're told to do. You told that bike go instead of telling that bike stop. Everything was going straight. I'm going to be honest. I was being a jerk. I was like forcing, like, go, 7, go. Go, hurry up, speed up, slow down. And the next thing you know, right, go, right, stand up. Calm down, 7, calm down. Get up, calm down, get the f up. Get up. It was 100% my fault. And then I try to redeem myself by getting the side-by-side. I'm like, all right, let's leave the bikes alone, get the side-by-side, just the big kids. And then I flipped the side-by-side because I forgot to take the thing out of 4-wheel drive when I was doing donuts and flipped it. If you can see Shaniqua, how she was Hercules lifting that side-by-side. What? We all did. But what she did was she took that, me and her thought about that, took the winch, she hooked the winch to a tree, and that's all we did, boy. It was over from there. Me, Makai, and 7, it's a huge kick. Come on, 7. So I know what y'all saying. Y'all probably saying like, yo, he wasn't ready. Why did y'all take him to trails too early? So look, this is, like I said, I showed y'all a clip before. That was the day before, ran through the basics. 7's been riding bikes his whole life. So he's not new to this. He's been doing this. But before we did go on the trails, I made sure I rode up and down the little path they had. It's like a little 3-4 mile driveway type of deal, or it's like a 3-mile type of road that we just kept riding, making sure he not to go through the clutches, make sure he not to go through the gears, you know, just paying attention to him, just warming him up for the trails. I just did not just throw this man into the trails and damn near, you know, cause him to almost lose his life. I jumped on his bike because he was supposed to ride his dirt bike, and his stepmom was supposed to ride the 4-wheeler. My mom was supposed to drive the side-by-side, but when we got there, everyone chickened out. So Seven did say, okay, Dad, I'm not going to ride the dirt bike, but I'll ride the four-wheeler. So this is me teaching him, trying to coach them.
I know, but you want to go all the way down and come back up so we can just go one by one? What time is it? You went first?
Just like I just said, I got to talk to my wife, I have to manage her, I have to manage my son. Boy, when I tell you, I got to make sure my prosthetic don't fly off. It's not easy, you know. It's not easy, but again, this is what I signed up for. I definitely learned from it. I'm definitely appreciative of it. But I'm blessed, bro. We're blessed. We're blessed to be able to do this. We're blessed to be able to have these type of toys, these type of machines, and to even experience these experiences, man. You know, not everybody can go to a track and spend a weekend at a track and rent a cabin and have a side-by-side that you own, dirt bikes that you own, four-wheelers you own. I'm blessed to have that. I'm thankful to the man above that put me in a position to have that. You know what I mean? To acquire all these things for me and my family, for me and my wife, being we're the head of the household, we can afford these things, and that's pretty dope. But you know I had to get some wheelies, though. You know I had to pop a couple wheelies, man. It just, you know, I was stressful, and this is one way to relieve stress, so hey. I know a lot of y'all gonna get on this, right? Y'all gonna be like, oh, they ghetto. Oh, look at them. Oh, look at the monkeys in the woods. I'm riding the dirt bikes. Finally, you stop riding on the streets and you riding on the trails where the bikes belong. But listen, I tried. Was we defeated? No. But did we learn? Yes. I just want to ride trails, bro. I thought it was easier. I must admit, riding trails is not easier than riding in the streets, bro. Wheeling in the streets is very easy, bro. I learned that day, bro. It was so stressful. My wife was driving side by side. That's self-explanatory, but you can kind of get yourself in that too. My son's riding a dirt bike. Well, he riding his four-wheeler because he chickened out. Like I said before, he was chickened out on the dirt bike, but he's riding his four-wheeler. He riding his stepmom's four-wheeler. So you can kill yourself on that. It's just a lot of ways to kill yourself riding in the damn trails. Like, it's nothing for me to just tell my wife, babe, here's the keys to side by side, follow me, and we can ride in the streets. That's easy. Like, you know what I mean? That's easy. 107, this is a four-wheeler, just stay close to me. All we gotta do is watch out for cars and cops. In the trails, bro, you gotta watch out for ruts, bumps, jumps, deers, trees, debris, other bikes, side-by-sides. It's hectic, bro. It's hectic. And we didn't just go out in the mountains and started trying to create our own trails. These are trails that's manicured at a top tier location called Iron Mountain. So like I say, bro, I thought it was easy, and I did. But we realized it wasn't that easy.
Do y'all need anything from this bag? Y'all want the bag?
No, we're good. Come on, I'm just taking him on a spin real fast. son cruising. See, after the fall, he got right back on. Ain't no quitter in him. Fuck wrong with these niggas. And I got my shit on.
As y'all can tell, right? We spent majority of the rest of the day at like more on beginner course. I believe the course that we was first on when he first got in the wreck in the beginning of the video, that course was more of an intermediate course. So we spent the rest of the day more on beginner type course, taking it slow. Just really first, second, third gear, a lot of turning around. Iron Mountain has so many different areas. It has areas for everyone to ride. Whether you're beginners, pros, it doesn't matter. So we was more on the beginner side. Just spent the day, you know, daddy, son, just going through the trails, enjoying the scenery, just getting him used to just riding because he just went through a terrible experience that I never in life wanted him to ever go through. And I just want him to kind of build his confidence back up. So this is what we did, build his confidence back up. And mind you guys, this was in 2022. So like I said, 7 now, he could wheelie. If you ask me, any trick in the book he could get done. As you can see, we turned around. Little rocky. I said, all right, take him through this. This is a little rocky. And I said, all right, let me try to take him around here. You know, you can kind of see. I got a little nervous going over here.
Slow down. Go. Go that way, buddy. Why you turning off? All right, relax. Go that way. Don't turn it off. You ain't got to do that. Just kick it all the way down until you can't kick no more. Then you know you're in first. You're in first. Put the clutch in, start it up. Let's go this way.
I'm happy that I learned, he learned, we learned, and we never went back there again. That's some white people shit. I can honestly say, you know, it's some white people shit, and I love it. You know what I mean? But I don't think my family does. You know what I mean? And bike life is not my family life. Yeah, they like bikes, but they don't love them like I do. But yeah, man, that was a crazy experience. Iron Mountain, great place. Like, again, intermediate place, but great place. Pardon me, bro. I was cussing. I was fussing. My son was under the bike, dog. You know what I'm saying? Again, this was in 2022. He's ready for the trails now. This was then. We just reflecting on that.
They let me abandon now, I'm trying by a mansion. Everything I got right now, look back, I never had it. Come from out the ghetto now, a nigga living lavish. She asked how I go through all this pain and still be happy. I had to put that street shoes to the side, I was living savage. I was trapping out that act, but now I'm Lambo Digi dashing. This for all my brothers dead and gone, I miss you badly. Ducking off in Cali, you might catch me in the valley. I was really trapping, hitting stashes in the alley. I was going through the rain, I turned my pain into a paddock. I was really active, never thought I'd be a rapper. I come from the ugly, I done fucking ran a sack up. The play right now, we playing some. I bought so hard, this and one. Young racks get bread, he handsome. I kidnap rap, ain't ransom. I ran my racks to 10-2. I been seeing my potential. Left wrist, right wrist, cause